Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Like account. So for this, first of all, make sure that you're connected to a good Wi-Fi connection and then open up your Like app. As you open up your Like app and land on your home page, on the bottom right corner, you will see an option that says Me. Tap on it. When you tap on it, you land on your profile page. Now on the upper right section, you will see an option with 3 lines. Tap on it again. And then on the bottom you will see Settings. Tap on it. After you choose Settings, on the very first option you will see Account. Tap on it. When you tap on Account, you have different options available to you, amongst which you have to choose the second option that says Delete Account. After tapping on Delete Account, Like app will ask you for your password in order to verify that it is you that is trying to delete this account. So simply type in your password. And then now here you can just read through their terms and conditions and then tap on Continue. Read through the important reminders and then tick mark the statement that says that you've read and accepted the Likee account deletion agreement and then tap on Delete. Tap on Confirm Deletion in order to delete your account. After receiving this request, your account will get deleted within the maximum of 7 days. So now when you go to your profile, you are already logged out of your account and your account is now in the process of getting permanently deleted. So this is how you delete your account on Likee account. I really hope that this video has been helpful to you. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.